Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm talking about how to find the Swift code for Bank Dhofar, Oman's banking giant, so you can breeze through international transfers here in 2025. First, you can hit up the bankdhofar.com, the official Bank Dhofar site. Scroll to Contact Us at the bottom or search Swift code in the top right bar. Look under International Banking or Branch Network. The main Swift code for their Rui head office is on the screen right now. Branches might tweak it, like just having a different ones like this one, the second one, for Maizara Islamic Banking, so check your specific one. Then after that, step 2, go direct, call their helpline, have your branch name or account number ready at ask, and what's my Swift code is going to be the question. They'll confirm it. Maybe the different one for Rui or something unique for Soha. X users say the call center is quick or swing by a branch if you're nearby. And also guys, very simple way to figure this out is to use a online tool. There's a bunch of them. For example, the Skydo or Skydo, I'm not sure. The Indian domain, you can find both, as you can see, the head office and the Maizara codes, Swift codes. Guys, and that's basically it. Choose your way. I think going for the third-party side is faster, but if you want to be super accurate, just go for the official websites. So, found yours? Drop below, like and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.